Processes for heterotrophic nutrition. Number 1. Ingestion. The process of taking in the food is called ingestion. The food is taken in as big or small particles. This may be by specialized organs such as mouth in higher animals or through the general body surface with the help of structures such as pseudopodia in lower organisms like amoeba. Ingestion by pseudopodia is called phagocytosis. Number 2. Digestion. The process of breaking complex food substances into simple molecules is called digestion. Simple molecules, thus obtained, can be absorbed by body. Number 1. The digestion may take place outside cells, extracellular, or within the cells, intracellular. Number 2. There are two forms of digestion. 1a. Mechanical digestion. Number 1. Foods are physically broken down so that it increases the surface area for enzymes to go to work. Number 2. This is accomplished by cutting, grinding, or tearing of food. B. Chemical digestion. Number 1. Large, insoluble, hard to dissolve molecules are changed chemically by enzymes to smaller, more soluble molecules by the process called enzymatic hydrolysis, using enzymes to split with water. Large molecules and products: carbohydrates, simple sugars, lipids, fatty acids and glycerol, proteins, amino acids. In unicellular organisms, the digestion is intracellular. In higher invertebrates and vertebrates, the digestion takes place in a specialized separate canal called the alimentary canal. In lower organisms like the hydra, the ingestion and the egestion takes place through the same opening. Features like ingestion and egestion having different openings and each portion of the canal having specific enzymes targeting specific type of food increase the efficiency of the digestive system. Number 3. Absorption. The process of absorption of digested food is called absorption. The absorption may be passive or active. Passive absorption is through diffusion or osmosis without using energy. It takes place in both directions. Example, water is absorbed by osmosis. Active absorption needs energy and can be inhibited by poisons such as cyanide. It takes place only in one direction. Example, absorption of glucose and sodium ions. Number 4. Assimilation. The process of utilization of digested food for energy and for growth and repair is called assimilation. Number 5. Ingestion. The process of removing undigested food from the body is called ingestion. In lower unicellular organisms like the amoeba, ingestion is through the general body surface or the cell surface. In multicellular organisms like the hydra, ingestion and egestion have a common opening. However, in higher animals, the digestive tract is complex and has a separate posterior opening called the anus for egestion.